Jan, it's time for us to get into this interesting segment, which I generally would call as informational segment, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो आपको जानकारी मिलती है ना, इसका आप लाभ उठा सकते हो. एट द सेम टाइम आपको इट्स अ पीस ऑफ माइंड, क्योंकि जब भी हम सोचते हैं हमारे बुजुर्गों के बारे में, हमारे पेरेंट्स के बारे में, आपको मालूम है हमारे कल्चर में है कि वी गॉट टेक केयर ऑफ आवर पेरेंट्स, राइट? वी आर द सैंडविच जनरेशन बोलते हैं उसको.
Yeah, we're the sandwich generation where we're taking care of the next generation and we're also taking care of our parents, right? And our grandparents. And, some of us are blessed. We do have our aunts and uncles. हमारे बंधुस में ही कितने सारे लोग हैं जहाँ पे 4-5 generations live together.
God bless, that's true.
Right?
Yeah.
And, many of us who've come here came with the .com boom. Many of us are already heading into the, the 50
Cloud
plus.
boom, yeah.
The 50 plus age. So, this particular segment is of prime importance to all of us. I'll tell you why, Banujan. Because एक चीज़ है, generally healthcare, when it comes to healthcare, there's that intersectionality of care is not there in a lot of places. Like in the sense, आपको cardiologist के पास appointment मिलेगा, but the cardiologist is not necessarily talking to your primary care physician. Your primary care physician is not necessarily talking to your dietitian, and that person is not necessarily talking to your whatever, urologist or endocrinologist and all that stuff.
I'm so pleased with you. You're talking about big words,
Arey,
intersectionality.
Altu Baba, I went through it with my mom. I wish there was a service like OnLock when, when my mom was struggling with, trying to find care at different locations. And, I know what kind of, harrowing nightmare it was to get appointments and drive her from one place to another place to another, and, where people are not talking to each other. So this wonderful program that we've been telling you about, Banujan, the OnLock PACE program, is one of those comprehensive care programs, which is made available for our seniors, जो हमारे बुजुर्ग हैं, and you can take care of them with this program even at home.
Yeah, now you can actually pay attention to the segment right now. या अगर आपको लगा कि अरे मुझे अभी भी कॉल करना है, तो कॉल कर लीजिएगा 1855-308-0195. ऊपर यहाँ पे बैनर पे लगागा आपको नंबर. check out the number there. It's 1855-308-0195. You can talk to anybody who actually picks up the call there. But right now we actually have dialed into OnLock, and हम आपके लिए लेके आए because you remember Samita ji who actually joined us last time. She talked about mental health. She's a mental health specialist at OnLock PACE, Banujan. So we have her back. Let's welcome her first. Welcome Samita ji, कैसे हैं आप?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, थैंक यू सो मच.
आप
लोग कैसे हैं?
मैं तो फर्स्ट क्लास हूँ. एंड आपने लास्ट टाइम बताया था अबाउट द मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यू एंड ऑल द टैबू. आई टोटली रेजोनेट विथ यू, एंड आई से दैट मेनी ऑफ आवर कल्चर अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी डोंट रिकॉग्नाइज दैट एज अ नीड. हम लोग फिजिकली एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, वी गो टू अ जिम्स इंस्ट्रक्टर, बट वी वांट गो टू समबडी हू कैन एक्चुअली हेल्प अस विद आवर मेंटल इश्यूज एंड एवरीथिंग. तो आपने एक बात जिक्र किया था कि आपने बताया था कि सीनियर्स में ये डिप्रेशन और ये एंजाइटी बहुत ज्यादा दिखते हैं आप. तो व्हाट इज योर आप ये बताइए, व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू ऑफ देम? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, पीपल हु डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज डिप्रेशन एंड एंजाइटी क्या होता है, इसके बारे में थोड़ा आप बता सकते हैं हमें?
सो आई थिंक हम लोग सब बहुत लाइटली द वर्ड डिप्रेशन को यूज करते हैं. हम बहुत जल्दी बोलेंगे कि ओ मैं डिप्रेस हो गई, या आई थिंक वो डिप्रेस्ड है. सो फर्क है, all of us should feel sad, appropriately. कोई sad movie देखे या किसी से कोई sad खबर आजकल बहुत सुनने में आ रहा है, तो या हम ही कुछ प्रॉब्लम में हो, तो sadness so is natural, it is normal, right? We should experience it. But generally so that is not depression. हम बोलते हैं ना, ओ मैं मूवी देख के आई, मैं तो पूरा डिप्रेस हो गई. मूवी देख के आने से we become sad. We don't usually become depressed.
Correct.
होना नहीं चाहिए. Let me put it that way. Okay. So depression is it's a clinical term. उसका ये मतलब है कि ये जो भी जिनको भी ये हो रहा है, जो भी ये इससे गुजर रहे हैं, इनका it's very debilitating. इनसे बहुत कुछ चीजें हो नहीं पा रहा है इनसे. तो and it has to last for a certain amount of time. एक दिन, 2 दिन, 3 दिन चलेगा, we can manage. But जैसे 2 हफ्ता हो गया या 3 हफ्ता हो रहा है और symptoms are becoming are very large, are very big. So I'll give you an example. जैसे नींद पूरी नहीं हो रही है या बहुत ज्यादा नींद आ रहा है, खाना बहुत कम खा रहे हैं या बहुत ज्यादा खाना खा रहे हैं, एक सेंस ऑफ होपलेसनेस कि चाहे अभी कुछ भी हो, कुछ मेरा सिचुएशन चेंज ही नहीं होगा, you know, because ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं होगा, but वो that person is not able to see कि हो सकता है. You know, that ability is blunted. एक sense of worthlessness, you know, कि मैं what is the point of all this? और जो भी हम छोटी छोटी चीजों में जो हमको अच्छा लगता है, जो हम enjoy करते हैं, जैसे खाना हो या टीवी देख रहे हो या कुछ भी, you know, फ्रेंड से बात करना, मूवी देखना, इन सब चीजों में मजा नहीं आता है.
Right.
मन नहीं करता है करने का, and they tend to isolate themselves and they don't want to participate in some of these things. एक irritability हो सकती है लोगों में, you know, बहुत एक lot of thoughts about death and dying, wondering if they are better off dead than being alive. So it is very, it's a serious thing, you know, and we should not mix the two words, I feel, but you know, just to be aware that it is something much more than just being sad.
So is it मतलब ये जो depression के बारे में आप इतना बताया, तो anxiety जो होती है, is it different? Is it the opposite?
Yes.
क्या?
Yes. Anxiety is different. You know, many times I have felt that depression and anxiety are two different sides of the same coin.
Okay.
It doesn't have to be, but many times it is. So with anxiety, it's a different set of experience. It's a different kind of a presentation. So लोगों को अलग चीजें होती हैं. So जैसे anxiety होता है तो हम लोग, अच्छा अब you know, हर चीज में हमको थोड़ा तो we are worried about something. जैसे मुझे कल इंटरव्यू पे जाना हो तो मुझे थोड़ा एंजाइटी लगेगा कि अच्छा मैं ठीक से बोल रही हूँ, नहीं बोल रही हूँ, कपड़े ढंग के पहनी हूँ, am I prepared? So that level of, या नए जॉब इंटरव्यू के लिए, या you know, ये रेडियो प्रोग्राम में आने के लिए, किसी भी चीज में एक there is a small amount of anxiety which is natural, which is normal. It is good to have it because it allows us to be prepared for something like this.
Correct.
Right? So the more I'm prepared, the better I feel that I can manage that. But with anxiety, again, anxiety and depression is a clinical terms. That means it is impacting a person very significantly. It is clinically significant. That is what, as clinicians, we remember that it has to be so significant. इतना उनके लाइफ में वो एक महत्वपूर्ण you know, जगह उसकी है उनके जिंदगी में कि वो अपना नॉर्मल काम कर नहीं पाते हैं.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
Right? So it just freezes them to some extent. So with anxiety, what happens is, of course, irritability is there, sleeplessness could be there, एक worry, हमेशा एक चिंता, और एक perseveration, you know, कि और कुछ नहीं देख पाते, नहीं अब ये गड़बड़ होगा तो ये गड़बड़ ही होगा इसमें, you know, अभी कभी ये सुधर ही नहीं सकता है. And anything you tell them, they're not able to see that, right? And it gets worse and worse and worse.
Right.
ऐसा नहीं है कि चलो मैं इंटरव्यू में फेल हो गई, you know, चलो इंटरव्यू में फेल हो गई, चलो मैं दूसरी इंटरव्यू, ऐसा नहीं होता. मैं फेल हो जाऊंगी, फिर मुझे नौकरी नहीं मिलेगी, फिर मैं मेरे पास पैसे नहीं होंगे, फिर मैं खाना कहाँ से खाऊंगी, फिर मैं कैसे जी सकती हूँ, you know, it's just an extension. It just takes a person deep down, you know, into a very dark space.
So, really quickly, Samyukta ji, I didn't mean to cut you off. I was just going to ask you before we close out, ki, is there a cure for it? Can somebody be cured from depression?
Cure ka matlab, this is what I would say. Yes, all of these things are very, very manageable with medications and with therapy and general well-being. It is definitely manageable. But can I say that जो जिसको अभी depression हो उसको कभी आगे depression नहीं होगा? I can't say that.
Okay.
Yeah, जो अभी is going through a very anxious time, they'll never be anxious because they're taking medications. I can't say that.
Right.
Right? So there is always those elements. But as we learn to manage it, as we learn to take care of them, we only get better and better at managing it.
Right.
It's like flu. आपको flu हुआ, आपने दवाई लिया, सब कुछ ठीक हो गया. Does it mean कि आपको 5 साल के बाद flu नहीं होगा? It's not possible, right? हो सकता है.
Right.
But you already know how to better take care of it.
Right.
And of course, I'll tell you what, we already know how to better take care of your seniors. मतलब अपने बुजुर्गों को कैसे आप देखभाल कर सकते हो? Tapping into resources like, you know, Samyukta ji at Unlock Pace, Panujan. Very simple. Just register them there. It's a non-profit organization. They actually are there statewide. They are here. They came out to existence in Bay Area. There are multiple centers in the Bay Area. एक बार यहाँ पे फोन लगा के आप ट्राई कीजिएगा 1-855-308-0195. Once again 1-855-308 0195 dial karke and check out your eligibility, how you can actually enroll into the program. They are there to help you for sure. And Samrita ji, I want to thank you. I just felt like, it's so important to have this conversation, and I appreciate the fact that you came on, took the time to talk to us about this, because हमारे कल्चर में इसके बारे में ज़्यादा बातचीत नहीं होती है. बुजुर्गों को छोड़ देते हैं, अरे हाँ वो ऐसे I know there's a lot of bad words we use sometimes, but it's not good to use that kind of stuff, as they're not they are our our forefathers, and they are people who actually gave birth to us, right? So वो responsibility हमें चाहिए.
And at the same time, Jan, compassion is something that's key in all our relationships. वो हम बचपन से सीखते आ रहे हैं. And when somebody is going through a hard time, rather than say, oh, get over it or snap out of it, it's always good, especially with our seniors. And we become very dismissive of certain things if they're talking to us. कभी कभार उनके साथ बात करने के लिए कोई नहीं है, babysitting करते हैं, ये करते हैं, वो करते हैं, like we think, oh, what's the big deal, everything is paid for, you're all you're getting all your health care. But what we overlook the most is possibly signs and symptoms of depression and anxiety, and you can take advantage of that. The services for addressing that and managing that at Onlock Pace. Please go and give them a call at their Hindi hotline, which is 1-855-308-0195, 1-855-308-0195, and you can talk to experts like Samyukta ji, who is a psychotherapist who is with Onlock Pace program as a mental health expert. Samyukta ji, thank you so much for joining us yet again. We look forward to talking to you more sometime in the future. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Thank you so much.